The response has been very, very satisfying, very good response. They were obviously well briefed already, and therefore everything that we were saying was actually taking that point further. On terrorism, there is unqualified support for India. They themselves repeatedly told us what they've communicated at the highest level, at the Prime Minister's level, to the Indian Prime Minister, and from the Foreign Minister's level to the Indian Foreign Minister. The repeated endorsement of their support for us as far as terrorism is concerned is unqualified. The question now is, what next? Where do we go? Now, we ourselves haven't yet decided where we will go, because we've said no talk. There cannot be terror and talk together. That's a clear message that we have conveyed. But we'll have to see as to what is the next step that we are able to take. But that's only once we get a response from Pakistan. We have made a message clear to Pakistan that there's no talk till such time as you give up terror. So how do they give up terror? What kind of indication there will be or proof there will be? Only then we can go further and expect that there will be greater support from the world. Now, in countries that we are visiting now, today we only want to be sure that they are fully sensitized to our concern and that they are willing to support what is reasonable and what is viable in times to come. And that messaging, I think, is very clear. We hope that this will help us plan out things in future.
So what has been the message from the Japanese side to convey something to the delegations?
Yes, the message is that we take the point, we support you, we empathize with you. We have repeatedly said that we condole what happened, the tragedy that took place. We condole it. They repeated that in several meetings. And of course, they push for peace, which is an appreciation they've given to us, that we stepped in and accepted the offer to end the hostilities. But the future is unclear both for us and for them. What is the steps that we will need to take in future? Because, as you know, we've only put in abeyance the water treaty. We have suspended the Sindoor operations, etc. But it's not the end. So there is still something more that must be done by Pakistan to ensure that it can convince us that they now intend to do the right thing.